Bella. Junior. Ivan. There's my Ivan. He's a good boy. He's a pleasant. Oh, yeah. We gotta play. Bella. Playing with Dot. Hey, hey. Don't do that. That's naughties. Bella. Go get some. And there's a boy. I don't know what to name him. He's so cute and sweet. Yeah, he's so sweet. You gonna play in the pool? No? No? Ivan. Junior, what are you doing? Oh, your brother's getting you. Ivan's like, I don't think so. I'll get you. Hey, that's naughties. What are you guys doing? They love playtime. Outside. Yep. Yep. Playtime outside. Little Bella. Then you got Dot underneath the chair. She's crazy. She's like her mama. Yep. Like her mama. They love pool time. Yep. They loved in the pools. Oh, look at Ivan. In and out. You guys are so cute. Oh, back in? Really?